Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have an administrator account and the current sign-in method available. This is why authentication is required. Once done, open Start, type Settings, and go to Accounts. Make sure to pick Sign-in options from the left column so you're in the right place immediately. This reduces back and forth. You're preparing the environment to safely remove the PIN without losing access. So confirm your password works, and you can receive prompts for verification. Now you remove the PIN. Under Sign-in options, select Windows Hello PIN and click Remove. You'll be prompted to verify with your account password or another enrolled Windows Hello method. This step prevents unauthorized removal. After verifying, follow the on-screen confirmation prompts to complete the action. Make sure you read prompts carefully because some accounts require reauthentication through Microsoft Account Verification. Once finished, your device will rely on password or other sign-in options you previously allowed. Finish by signing out and back in to confirm the PIN is gone. This verifies your alternative sign-in works. If the Remove button is grayed out, it's often due to group policy, domain, or family safety settings. Check accounts right arrow access work or school and group policy or contact your admin. If you get locked out, use password reset options, Microsoft Account Recovery, or boot to safe mode to restore access. The key troubleshooting tip: check policies and account type first, since they commonly block PIN removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.